Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and I am at the Rock Island Auction Company and the auction today. And I found this. In fact, a lot of people have found this. This is a Sugiura Shiki pistol in 25 ACP. Now, the auction that they're holding right now, like literally, you can probably hear the auctioneer behind me, literally holding right now, is what they call a sporting and collectors. They used to call these regionals, and they're generally lower value guns, like less expensive guns, more common guns, and they're batched together in lots. However, even these auctions have some pretty rare, pretty uncommon, pretty cool, valuable stuff in them if you take the time to look, and this Sugiura is a perfect example. So I actually did a video a little while back on a Sugiura, but I did a 32 ACP Sugiura, and there are examples that were made in both 32 and 25. And there's not a lot of information out there about these. They were designed and manufactured in North China under Japanese occupation. When World War II ended, those Chinese arsenals were then free of Japanese oversight, and they continued to make Sugiuras in both calibers. This is one of the Japanese production ones, and this one's got a bit of a lot of a patina to it, but they're actually really nicely made guns, and they're very, very scarce. So there are only 6 of these that are documented, or 10 of them documented to exist. And this is the highest serial number 1 known before production transitioned to China, Chinese control. It's number 422, and it's in this sporting and collector's auction. So I heard a number of people commenting about it. The auction staff here are pretty excited about it, and I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show it to you guys briefly, because I don't actually have a video on a 25 ACP example. And then I'm going to head into the auction hall this afternoon and see what it actually sells for, and I'm going to film that. So this is our Sugiura Shiki pistol. If we take a look here, you can see that is a Japanese production mark, and serial number 422 there, and on the slide. And interestingly, the magazine is also serialized 422. This is basically a copy of the Colt pocket hammerless, so you can lock it open there, and then you disassemble it by rotating the barrel up. I'm not going to take it all the way apart because I only have a few moments here, but neat gun, very, very desirable, even though it's in rough condition because there are so few of them out there. So let's do a little time fade thing a couple hours into the future and see what it actually sells for. All right, we're coming up. It is the very next lot. The estimate is $1,500 to $2,500. I'm really curious to see where it actually goes.
3,000 to 3,250. Sold 3,000. The bidder is 697.
Here we go.
29.51. On the documented Japanese Sugiura Shiki semi-automatic pistol. And a lot of interest here. Let's get them started at 3,250 bid, 3,500 now, 3,750. 3,500 now, 3,750. It's got to be 3,750 bid, 4,000 now, 4,250. Phone drop's got to be 4,250. 4,000 will lead now, 4,250 live when it's hit 4,250. 4,000 now, 4,250 bid at 4,250. And when it's 4,250, give me a last call. Fair warning at 4,250. Sold 4,000, the bidder 1205, bidder 1205, lot 19.
Well, there you go. It is that fast at an auction like this. They're going a little bit less than 30 seconds per lot on average. So every once in a while, you'll get a particularly rare gun that to most people doesn't look like anything special, that is actually of significant interest to a lot of people. And that's when you get a result like that. $4 grand for a 25 caliber Sugiura Shiki. Thanks for watching.